My name is Henry Pinillos. I'm the service director at Kendall Toyota. I've been working with Bean Automotive Group for the past 5 years. Prior to Bean Automotive Group, pretty much started as an apprentice, graduated to technician, to master technician, went up the roles to shop manager, service manager, and then eventually I became a service director. So definitely a Dolphins guy, all right? Always will be, always will continue to be a Dolphins guy. But aside from football, on my time off, I enjoy going out on my boat with my family. We do fishing, we do sandbar, we have fun. Living in Miami, I think that's the only thing that you gotta do, be around the water. My favorite part about my job is being part of these young apprentice technicians go from starting to changing oil and tire rotation to be a master technician. That's the biggest pride I take in my job because, again, I started my career as an apprentice, not knowing much about the industry, and pretty much graduated to where I am right now. People should choose Bean Automotive Group for the simple reason when you join Bean Automotive Group, you're part of the family. You're not a number, you're not a regular Joe from 9 to 5, no. Our pride is to see you grow throughout the years with Bean Automotive Group. A tip or advice that I could give any individual that wants to start the automotive career is very simple. You need to be consistent, number one, and number two, you need to have patience. With those two characters, you will reach for the stars. Again, my name is Henry Pinillos, Service Director for Kendall Toyota. Thank you for watching.